In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Proton Mail settings. We'll walk through the settings dashboard together so you know exactly where to find the options that matter and what each area is for. Start by opening Proton Mail in your browser and signing in. From your inbox, look for the settings toggle icon at the top. Click it, then choose all settings to open the full settings dashboard. This is your control center. Begin on the home page to get a quick overview. Next, open subscription to review your current plan and storage. This is where you can compare features and make changes if you need more space or tools. Head to recovery to set or review your recovery options. This section helps you regain access if you ever get locked out, so make sure anything you add here is accurate and stored securely. In account and password, you can update your login details and check active sessions. Use a unique, strong password and keep an eye on devices with access. Language and time lets you adjust your interface language, time zone, and regional formats so dates and times display correctly for you. Appearance is where you set the theme, layout density, and conversation view. If you work long hours, consider a dark theme and a layout that reduces eye strain. Security and privacy houses critical protections. Review link handling, external content, and tracker blocking. This is also where you can strengthen account protections to match your privacy needs. Refer a friend provides your referral tools if you want to share Proton with others. Import via Easy Switch helps you bring emails, contacts, and calendars from other providers. It guides you through provider selection and runs safely in the background. In the Proton Mail section, you'll find mail-specific controls that tie the experience together. Get the Apps links you to the official desktop and mobile apps so you can stay synced across devices. Messages and composing controls your composer defaults, rich text formatting, auto-save drafts, and undo send timing. Email privacy lets you manage external images, read receipts, and phishing protections for safer inbox viewing. Identity and addresses is where you manage your display name, signatures, and additional addresses or aliases. Explore the remaining categories at your own pace, and remember to confirm any changes as you go.